Okay, so I'm just going to do a quick summary of I think it's designed to be said great true, but it's spelled Greatrue. So like great true or gray true. I don't know how you'd say it for sure, but this grinder is pretty amazing. I really didn't understand what I was getting. I looked forward to the whole notion of being able to do some gluten-free baking and different things like that, or adding brown rice and oats and other grains into bread or pancakes without having the grittiness and the chunkiness that it usually gives you. Um, there's probably nothing this couldn't pulverize, to be honest. I'm just gonna I'm gonna undo the on the side here. There's a little dial, and you can rotate this this bin. So I'm just going to turn it so it kind of faces. You can see inside there, and that is actually what's there. And that was brown rice. That was pearled brown rice. And that was probably only about 20 or 30 seconds worth. It's pretty warm. It's almost too hot to the touch now that it's done. But I only used it for maybe, I don't know, 25% of what the power is. So there's a ton of uses for this thing, and overall the quality, the way it's made is amazing. All the components are pretty heavy gauge, and really it's designed to be this thing's designed to be used and used pretty heavily, I believe. The other thing about it is it comes with 2 full sets of blade changes, so as you use it a lot, you do have that advantage. For the price, I think this is something that would have cost a lot more than it does here on Amazon in the recent past, so definitely recommend it. This next little section of video is going to show the process of grinding some brown rice, and there's no voice component here, and I do speed it up right in the middle, so it's a lot faster than it really is. Just thought I'd point out what this is kind of like when you get done using it. I have disconnected this from the power, um, which is really important. This thing is incredibly powerful. It would make fast work of anybody's fingers. This is oats, but what I've noticed between the rice and the oats that I've ground up is that you do tend to have a fair bit of cleanup right at the core of where the blades are, and it comes with this nice little brush that lets you get underneath everything to get everything clean. I'm pretty much just going to be using this for powders. I'm not going to be doing anything with liquids personally. This will be a great way to grind up all kinds of dry goods. So, and then the lid itself tends to look pretty similar. You can kind of see it does collect and keep a little bit of dust and debris, but it comes off pretty easy so far, and I couldn't be happier with this thing. It's amazing.